This is a question that's been asked. How can I use the Casio calculator to just go straight to whatever base we want? And I've been avoiding doing this because I want you to learn how to do logarithms, but here's how you do it. So we're going to go to the main menu there, and we're going to go, there's a couple of ways of doing it. The quickest way to do it is to go Shift, Setup, and then for mode, for input, have math. And you'll notice there that there's a few extra options that come up on the keyboard, on the screen, and one of them there is F2, and that's going to give it to us. Okay, so let's do that again. So let's close off calculator. I have to do that because otherwise it's not going to work for me on this emulator. So I'm going to go to the main mode, and I'm going to go to Shift, Setup, instead of linear, F1, exe, and say I want to find, or what would I want to find? I want to find log 4 3. Well, we could go change a base, or we could just quickly go in the calculator, go to math, log, and now 4 3, and then I'm going to go across 4 3 exe, and it's going to be that number there. So to test it out, so let's clear all of that. We want log base 10 of 3.2. Either we can go the shortcut there, log 3.2. Remember, if there's no log there, it just means it's the common log 10. So 0.505, or we could use this one here and put in that it's base 10.2, and it's going to give us exactly the same answer. There's a couple of ways of doing it, and it is really worth your while before you go into the exam to really not only know that your calculator can do it, but know how to get there really, really quickly. You don't want to be faffing around during the exam trying to find out how to do it. Find one way that does it and then stick to it. That's my other advice. I think if you go into the menu, and then you go into one of these other settings, I can't remember how you do it. You can get into logs, but for me, I'm just used to doing that, and my calculator, I just have it to go all the time. If they do ask for you to show you're working, you should also know how to do that without needing to rely on the crutch of a calculator. But anyway, that's how you do it.